DELMIA's process planning and virtual build solution provides a 3D planning environment for train manufacturers and their suppliers. An end-to-end process, layout, and work instruction planning can be achieved on time for all manufacturing plants. Delivery of accurate visual process documentation to the shop floor helps workers to achieve high quality and manufacture right the first time. Working with an accurate digital twin of the manufacturing facilities and processes, a virtual build can be performed before designs are finalized. Potential manufacturing problems can be eliminated, and late engineering changes can be implemented without compromising manufacturability and schedule. Through the clarity of 3D, DELMIA's process planning and virtual build solution delivers an improved understanding of the manufacturing process for all stakeholders of the program. Time, cost, and quality targets can be met to keep the train program on track.